blurry or low-quality images that just don't look right? Then meet the ultimate AI tool that takes your visuals to the next level, Aiarty Image Enhancer. This powerful software completely redefines the boundaries of image clarity and detail. Let's get started. First, download and install Aiarty Image Enhancer using the link in the description. The best part? It runs smoothly even on modest PCs. Once installed, launch the software. You can easily add a single image, multiple images, or even an entire folder, all in just a few clicks. If you import a folder, simply double-click to view all the images inside. By default, your image will appear at 100% zoom level, but you can adjust the zoom anytime to closely inspect the finer details. Aiarty provides several AI enhancement models, each designed for different types of images, so you always get the perfect result. Choose more detail for downloaded or AI-generated images that require fine textures like hair, feathers, or fabrics. Select smooth for 2D illustrations, cartoons, or any image that doesn't need too much sharpness. Pick real photo for high quality or large photos that have noise, blur, or compression issues. It cleans and restores them beautifully. No matter what kind of image you're working on, Aiarty Image Enhancer delivers professional-grade results with just one click. Then trust me, Aiarty Image Enhancer is the only tool you'll ever need. Download it now from the link in the description and experience the future of image enhancement, powered by AI.